Hi, Dr. T here, and a bunch of us went to a talk last night, and it was held by this company. I'll do a little shout out to this company. The reason why I'm doing the shout out to this company, you'll find out why. I don't usually promote product on my little video vlogs, but a shout out to them because they had a really great guest speaker, and her name is Dr. Alice Wolf. And anyone in the veterinary profession, long before social media had our ability to create videos like I'm doing right now, there was a network, and it's still in existence, it's still used widely. It's called the Vet Information Network, or VIN for short. And any veterinarian that is a member of VIN can log in and write questions about an unusual case they have, or they need expert advice. And every sort of division or specialty of veterinary medicine is there. There's even areas for vets to talk about the issues they have, etc. But they're always monitored by specialists, and some specialists are asked to be on there. And anything that came up cat, it's always been three names that come to mind: Michelle Gaspar, Alice Wolf. I don't know if Susan Little's on there, but they're all very well-known veterinarians and can give great feedback on things. And Alice is one of the founding members that I can see there. And I told her last night she's a god. We're not worthy. But she gave a talk last night on vaccines and the importance of types of vaccines for cats. This is all cats. And it was great for us, for me and my associates, because we want to make sure that our vaccine protocols are up to date, that they're working well. But a lot of this talked about the type of vaccines that you use and are being used. And there are two general classes of vaccines. They're what we call adjuvant vaccines that have a chemical in them that's designed to cause an irritating type response so that the vaccine is considerably effective or more effective. And then there's non-adjuvant vaccines. And the big thing in cats, not necessarily in dogs, in cats, is that the big findings of studies indicate that adjuvant vaccines actually cause much more irritation, and there's a risk of developing a type of tumor, sarcoma tumors, fibrosarcoma tumors that can occur anywhere from 4 months to up to current data has 13 years after giving a vaccine. So it's very important that any veterinarians out there, that if you're using adjuvant vaccines on your feline patients, convert to non-adjuvant vaccines. It's very important to do that. There is a 10-time risk of developing cancer from adjuvant vaccines versus non-adjuvant vaccines. For a veterinary perspective, get out there and get those vaccines. And the reason why I promoted these guys is these guys actually created a line of non-adjuvant vaccines for cats many years ago that we adopted. So the good news at our facility, our practice, is we're using non-adjuvant vaccines for cats. And I made the comment last night that I haven't really seen a fibrosarcoma in a cat since the implement of non-adjuvant vaccines. So talk to your veterinarian. I'm sure they'll be open to have discussions with you about adjuvant versus non-adjuvant vaccines. But that is the big take-home, is that adjuvant vaccines have a 10-time increased risk of developing cats that are vaccinated by adjuvant vaccines. And the thing is that you know, it's months to greater than a decade of years ago that they had the adjuvant vaccines, is that they can actually cause cancers in cats, tumors in cats. And so I don't want to give your cat a tumor. I want to not. And so that's why we use non-adjuvant vaccines. So have a discussion with your veterinarian. And veterinarians out there, for cats, stick with this. I think it's really good advice. And remember, everyone, love your pet like they love you, unconditionally. Have a great day.